Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to create an abstract slice text effect, so let's get started. First, let's type the text we want. Then go to Transform and Effect and change these settings. Then go to the object and expand it twice. Then press Ctrl and 8 at the same time and change the text to compound path. Then change its color. Go back to the object and expand it. Then go to Pathfinder and trim. Select the text and right-click and go to Transform Each. Then select a few colors and colorize them using the random script. The video about how to install the script is in the description. So we are done. Make small changes and make your own creation. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet again in the next video.